I may be bald, but little bits of hair are still growing on my head. And that's why I regularly go to the traditional Korean barbershop, to make my head smooth and shiny again. Although you never know what and who awaits you inside. It is one of my favorite places in Korea, and traditionally only men are welcome.
여자도 돼요? 안 돼요? 여자 싫어해요?
싫어하는 게 아니고 여자는 미용실에 남자는 이용원에.
Koreans are always surprised when I ask for the nearest barber, because who goes here anymore? Well, I do. But unfortunately, the traditional barbers are slowly disappearing from the streets of Korea.
이봐서 미래 많이 없을 것 같아요.
예, 없어요.
Too bad, especially for the bald young man like me, because it's a nice place for a razor-sharp shaving knife treatment. It's all about trust, and if you have that, it's pure enjoyment. Normally I shave my head myself, but who doesn't want to pamper themselves every now and then? You don't have to leave it for the money, because it's usually between $7 and $15.
이봐서 언제 시작했습니까?
한 40년.
40년?
The nostalgia of the interior, the old chairs, scissors, the old hairdresser, a lot of male conversations have taken place here. The mirror still echoes the sound of all the complaints. I love it.
수염도 없으면 조금 이상해요. 계란처럼.
But please trust me, the wonderful feeling on the face and head is indescribable. Whether you are bald or not, try it one day. But be careful, the barberman decides what happens up there. Then the result, exactly as expected, smooth and shiny. I'm a happy man again, who can now cycle faster.